Here we are, we're live.
What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy. Y'all, now I wanted to go live, so I volunteered myself as tribute. So I'm going to try to make a bow by hand.
I usually do 18-inch tails.
Yeah?
And my bottom loop is usually 6.5 to 7 inches.
Okay.
Because it's going to be a big bow.
So tiny, though. Like, that's only like... Y'all, I've never made a hand bow either.
So this part, so from this part, and then your whole loop is going to be that many inches.
Okay. So I'm over here trying to do, like, that's about 7, like, right there. Okay. So I'm going to do that here. I'm going to do a little pinch. Don't watch if you're already getting anxiety from watching me.
I'm never going to live this down, am I?
Never.
Jeez.
I'm going to do the whole pinch and flip. So are we doing 2 on each side?
So yeah, let's do two on the bottom.
This seems a little bigger than the other one. Let's see what we got here, y'all. Y'all, we're just eyeballing it. We're eyeballing it. So y'all, I'm pretty confident I can get it like relatively right, like technically right, but I always struggle with like fluffing it out at the end, and it always looks kind of like it came from the bad side of the neighborhood.
I'll teach you. I'll teach you.
It's a struggle for me to like actually fluff them.
You gotta be rough with it, show me the boss.
Yeah. If it's real tight, and if the center of the whole stack is real tight, then you can really pull on it.
Oh, I'm pulling. Y'all, we have a whole freaking
Audience.
peanut gallery back here, so...
And I didn't start us off very well, so...
I love that ribbon.
Oh, hi, Margaret.
I'm actually really impressed right now.
Yeah, he's doing good.
Hey, wait, what's going on?
So this is going to be the base of it, right? So this is where I'm going to start getting concerned, because this is a lot to hold all at once, right? So this is why I think if I was actually a creative person, I would definitely use a bow maker.
So, we have one. Do you want to use it?
No.
You can slide it in there.
This is the Parker's trying to make a hand bow
Okay.
challenge.
Oh.
This is free, y'all. There's no charge. We're just going to do one loop, yeah?
Yes. Yep.
So this is the tricky part, because I'm working with one hand, right? What do we say, 18?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that. I'm going to do the old pinch and flip here.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, you'd swear they were drunk.
I'm
something.
excited.
Not 1 ounce of alcohol has been consumed
I'm
tonight.
supportive, Parker. Keep going.
We're having fun tonight, you guys. We're just having fun.
You're doing amazing.
We are celebrating a new team member and
Yes.
just how awesome our team is in general, and our friends and our community and everything.
Yes.
I'm really struggling right here.
No,
No,
you're
you're
doing
not.
good.
You're doing good.
I'm scared to like lose it while I'm trying to hold it, you know? That's good. That's good there.
There you go.
That's gonna be fine.
There you go. And then come in with the black ribbon. And do one loop there as well. And then we're gonna
Black
do
and
this
white
on the
next?
top. Yep.
Okay.
We're gonna tuck that in a little piece of it. And then
Am I just doing one loop with the black and white?
we have one loop on each side. There we go.
Honestly, the problem is like, I'm actually left-handed, believe it or not.
You are?
Oh, I would have never.
Hey, I know how to make a bow, okay?
Yeah, no, you're doing
In
good.
theory,
Actually.
in
No,
theory.
you do, yeah.
He's watching the videos.
Oh, I've seen some bow making videos, yo, for a while now. The old pinch and flip's getting a little more difficult with...
I was gonna say, yeah, I'm more fingers in the back to support you. You're only having one finger.
I'm really impressed so far.
Look, I'm coming to take Damon out. Also, I don't... These ribbon where you can't really tell
Yeah.
which is the back and the front, it's really tricky. Let me give him the old snip.
Okay, so for the next one, we're gonna do one tiny loop in the center and then one
Okay.
loop on each side.
So
Layers are
I-
good. Your layers are good. Your sizes are good.
What's going on, you guys? Y'all cannot expect me to hold something and measure something and read at the same time?
I
Like,
can
that's a
hold
lot.
it. We're gonna put it on this, y'all. So when I do one center loop, I
Yeah.
do the little loop first.
He's
Oh,
shy.
so
He's
you're doing it
modest,
the other
y'all.
way. So you would do your two longer loops first, and then the little loop on the first.
Wait, we're doing 3?
No. Yeah, your loops. You do it however you want.
Okay.
Because I forgot you're doing it different than I do it, and so it was different for me to teach you.
We're rolling with it.
Oh, that's cool.
Don't let me snip you.
Parker's
Oh.
a catch. There's a big old lump of gash or they can move. I've hit it since.
All right, this is the scary part for me. I don't wanna lose it, y'all.
There's no way. I did it once.
I wanna get the big part behind and the back.
There you go.
Look at that bow.
Yep. Pretty stinking good, buddy.
I'm pretty sure they thought something else was being recorded in here because I was like, hey, we have good
Okay.
guys come in, we need new internet and fast because we want to stream and do some video content. So
How are we looking?
that's what I'm pretty sure they
See.
were thinking.
Good. Now just take your bottom two and pull. Is it all secured? You're nice and tight.
Yeah.
So take your bottom two and like pull them apart like so that they're a big X.
This house, I mean, it's a nice house.
Yeah, we take it.
Yep. And then this one's gonna go right in the center.
I can take care of it for
I'll
you.
be your house.
There you go.
All right, let's go ahead and snip these. Should I leave them this long?
Yeah. One piece. One is on. If we need it to be shorter, we can cut them shorter.
Yo, I've got like thousands of hours watching bow videos. Y'all thought I was just playing on my computer the whole time.
That's what we were told,
I
sorry.
remember when you used to work in
I am sick.
Okay.
Friends.
You good?
You would.
Yeah. Very good. Okay, we're gonna add it right to the center.
Is this
Sir,
gonna work like
yep.
this?
So we're gonna come around this way.
I'm gonna snip it in here. Slip it.
Yep.
It. Well, we need
So
to
we're
get
gonna-
it tied around the back though, right? Or
Nope.
we're gonna use the tails in the front.
We're gonna use the tails in the front.
Okay.
There you go. So we're gonna move the loops out of the way. Just you're gonna tie it so that the tie is gonna be right there,
Okay.
and then you're gonna use those tails, and we're gonna bring them
I
around
should
the
go
front.
around the middle though, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna fluff this out a little bit to cover the knot. This is kind of getting lopsided a little bit.
Yeah, it's actually this is actually really good. You've never made a bow
What do you
just by
mean,
hand?
Actually, no, I've never made a bow by hand.
Well, because for the very first time, when someone makes a bow by hand for the very first time, maybe it does not look like this.
I've
This is pretty
seen
good.
a lot of videos. I've seen a lot
I
of
can't wait to
videos.
see this up. Like what it looks.
So this is kind of what it's going with.
Parker, that's cute.
Oh, I like
That
it.
is.
Oh,